Oh, hello there, and welcome to day 20 of the Twitter marketing strategies. I'm just checking the grapes again today because I referred to them the other day, and they're not plumping up as well as I'd like them to do, but they're doing fine. The whole vine will carry on producing grapes for years and years to come now. So once you've done the work, you've got something that's going to be there long after I've gone. So that's great. It leaves it for something else. Which brings me on to the affiliate marketing tip for today. Recurring income. It's always good to have a product that gives you recurring income, such as web hosting, for instance, email service providers, magazines. I've got income coming in from VPNs, virtual proxy network that just worked done years ago, produces income every month. So think about that. With something, whatever it is you choose, you can write an authoritative blog post. For instance, if you haven't got a blog, you can put it on Medium, or even a Google site will get ranked. But if you back that up, and I've listened carefully, with a series of videos, 10 to 30 videos that you can keyword for different keywords and have them all pointing back to your authoritative blog post, article, call it what you will, then you'll have income, recurring income for, I was going to say for generations to come, but for a long time to come. So there's a thought for you for your recurring income. One authoritative article, either write it yourself or get somebody else to do it, and then back it up with between 10 and 30 videos. In 1 month you can have a nice recurring income stream. Okay, that's my tip for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. If you've got any questions, just ask away, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another one. Bye bye now, thanks a lot. Ed Kirwan saying bye bye now.